Okay, YouTube, what's happening? Matt, 1836 Easy Living today. How's it going? Today we're going to head out to the, what's it called? The Plano, I think it's the Plano Interurban Train Museum, something like that. We're going to go check it out. It's a great time, so come along with us. But first we're going to stop and get something to eat, so let's do that, and we'll see you in a minute, all right? You ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Okay, let's go. Here we are, lunchtime, Captain D's. Never eaten here before, so we'll give it a review, see what's happening. Let's go on in. No diet.
For sure. Dr. Pepper's in it.
Oh, sweet tea.
Do we get a medium or small?
What you doing?
Oh, just fixing my cup.
Where are we at? Show me your cup. What's it say?
Captain D's.
Sweet. What about you? What do you have?
I have
What'd you get to drink?
fruit punch.
Yeah? Is it good?
Yeah.
Super. It's almost time to eat. Okay, what'd you get to drink?
Mostly all drinks.
Oh, okay. Well, that's super too. Here it is. Fish sandwich.
Look how long they add the
Tasty.
fish.
What you got?
Look how long they add the fish.
That's a huge fish, huh?
That's where
What'd you get?
Same thing. It's tasty.
Is it tasty? Did you put your dipping sauce on there?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
This is so weird.
Gotta add the always delicious malt vinegar. Alright, let's eat. Took a quick stop at the Captain D's, and first time there, super. It was great. I liked it. What do you guys think?
It was amazing.
Oh wow.
It was okay.
I mean, it was good, but okay. Well, I guess it was. Anyway, let's go ahead and head on to the we'll figure out the name when we get there. The Interurban Train Museum. Something. Okay, let's not fart around anymore. Let's get going. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. This is the park just outside of the train museum that we're about to go in. It's really pretty out here. There's a pavilion. And there's a super beautiful, well-built bridge here. You can tell that someone really worked hard when they made it. More of the pond out here. Yep, right over there you can see the train car. That's for the museum we're headed to. See over here, Through the Park by David Hickman, commissioned by the City of Plano, 2004. Let's see what we've got here. Let's look at it not in the sun. Hang on. Oh, hey, that's better. Interesting. It's a nice old pavilion out here. It's got a plaque. Let's go see if we can read it. Haggard Park, established 1928, City of Plano, Texas, has been recognized as a Lone Star Legacy Park by the Texas Recreation and Park Society, 2012. Quite an achievement there. It's a nice another view of the museum and the train car out here with the flag blowing. Here in the front we have another little historical marker for the Texas Electric Railway. Every hour, every day. Beginning in 1872 with the Houston to Texas Central Railroad, people could access the Texas frontier, goods could be shipped to the newly settled territory, and local crops could be shipped for distribution to other parts of the country. And the Texas Historical Commission official historical medallion says the Texas Electric Railway Station, built in 1908 by the Texas Traction Company, Texas Electric Railway, after a merger in 1917. The station served passengers and freight customers of the company's North Texas routes. The wood frame passenger depot and the attached brick freight electric transformer section remained in use until 1948. How about that? Look at this. Here's the old train route. Denison, the corner of Dallas, Corsicana, down to Waco. Let's go ahead and head on up and get in this cool little old train car. And let's check this area out here. Look at how great they have this set up. still appears to be so historically accurate. The old ads up on the wall. Yeah, these ads on the side are really neat just to look at. It's where you'd store your luggage. I believe this car was reserved for smoking. Please do not put hand baggage or heavy bulky packages in overhead rack. Texas Electric Company.
What's this say?
The seats thing is
Peanut butter.
peanut butter. Okay, yeah, that's
And-
that.
And this one over here is the United States Army needs men. They always have been advertised.
What year was this?
This picture was taken in the 30s.
30s?
But if you take a close look at this, it looks like they have a covered wagon there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, sure do.
I'm sure that today the Army doesn't use very many covered wagons.
Right.
Yeah, it says, every woman will eventually vote. Women's suffrage did not happen until 1920. This car was built in 1911. So there would have been a period of time that you ladies couldn't vote and us guys could. Now, what does it say up here?
And now we have the
Toilet.
We have the toilet.
Now, you take a look down the center of the toilet, would
Okay,
you?
no,
Go look.
no, I'm not.
Water.
There's no water in there.
Yeah, there is.
No, in the toilet there's no
Oh,
water.
jeez.
There can't be any water in the toilet. There's a hole in the bottom of the train.
There's a hole in water.
It's in the United States Post Office. This door is always locked.
Look at this,
You
huh?
could not come back here. Now what happened here,
How's it?
we get bags of mail in, we separate it by city. Packages here, letters here. You get close, you can just reach up here. These pull right up.
I think
You can grab the boxes out. You can come over here, grab the letters out, put it in the bag, hang it there. Once we get into the city, we stop here. The postman for the city would come to one of these two doors and we'd swap bags. The way you
The
were
wheel.
turning.
There you go.
Then you notice it went right straight through.
Oh, nice. So,
This big machine is our air compressor. That's had an accelerator and we had a brake. What were we missing? Now this lady is our steering wheel. Her job was to lift this arm up, put it all the way over on the other side, and that will make this flag turn, and it will move these two pieces of track over about 2 inches. That's all, it's only 2 inches. But right now the train would go like this. Go up here and go that way. If you switch it, it's going to go this way. So, that's what her job was.
It's a pretty important job, huh? You silly girl. Boy, this is really nice as we walk in. Why don't you write your name or something?
do something stupid. How do I do?
Well, look at the letters.
You don't have a calculator? Oh, come on.
I think we have more.
Look what's next to it too, that old potbelly stove.
Yep, that's our central heating unit. You can see that.
Oh, you don't chew tobacco.
That's good.
This is our spittoon. Any person that uses it gets to clean it. That's a sweater from 1934.
Huh,
Wait, that was the first sweater?
for the high school.
That's a high school letter sweater.
What was
Today they get jackets.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Okay, I can press it. Let's press it.
do it.
Okay. I'm scary. That's hard.
There's Nikola Tesla over there with his Tesla coils. Somewhat famous image of him
Here, you gotta turn on.
writing or reading underneath all that wild electricity.
Goes up a little bit, doesn't it?
Okay, Megan, here. I'm gonna try it. Wait.
Quickly. Look at the other one.
Oh God.
You're generating electricity and running the motor. Okay, would you please stop?
Stop.
Let go. Now your turn. You take this one. And now turn the other direction. Other direction.
Other direction. What's going on?
You notice it follows. Because this is a generator and motor pair. Now,
This is so crazy.
I want both of you to turn it the same direction.
Like
This way. So
Okay.
you're gonna go up.
So,
3, 2, 1.
Okay, now the faster you turn, the more light I'm going to get so I can read my newspaper. Right.
my god, it's so
Now you can touch that and see how it's spinning, how fast it's going.
Pretty quick, huh?
Okay, now pull it back. As you pull it back, it goes slower and slower.
You would
Here's
explain
some
it,
similar
then I might
stations.
press the red
Look at
button.
that.
It's just like the red button on the president's desk. The whole building blows up.
That was weird. Go ahead. Can you tell me?
Okay.
Like,
Let's separate them. Wow.
weird. What was that?
You are playing with 15,000 volts.
Oh my god.
That's a lot of electricity, huh?
Let's try.
Not to
That's
the bottom.
scary.
No, we're gonna do the bottom ones, okay? So 3, 2, 1. You're close.
Gotta get them together. No, separate.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god.
How weird.
Hey, do it again.
Oh god, wait.
Whoa. You see if you can do that electricity and fire it up to 1.21 gigawatts. Go. Nice. Ooh. Hey. Doc Brown would be proud.
See, it's going this,
It's breathing.
and it's flashing. It's moving this way.
And the line's going up and down.
And it's seeing green stars moving up, down, and straight.
We got AC electricity from a plant in McKinney. It produced 19,000 volts AC. That 19,000 volts AC came into this building and ran this motor generator. See, it came into this room and went to these transformers. Transformers will cut the power down, the voltage down to a level that will run our motor generator. This is a trolley pole, and this is a trolley wheel. And he's trying to get it on this wire. No. Here you go.
So pull it down and guide it onto that wire. You get it?
Come to the right.
Hey.
What happened?
Cool. Alright, we made light.
You turned on the electricity.
Because the train now has power, and it can go.
This is some serious science experiment.
Have a seat.
Okay.
You wanna watch a movie?
This is short one. There were the phones that we used between the stations. This one here would be for the switchman. He had a little house. You can see it in the model over there.
So-
that he could ring into the office and say, "I've switched the tracks." So it's on that second ledge.
Model of the train system. Let's see what we have.
This is very quiet. Very.
Well, it's quiet right now.
You can't say stop train.
It's not in the station. We wouldn't want to stop anywhere but at the station, right?
Wait, does it stop right here?
Yeah.
My brain
Ready?
doesn't
Look.
feel like reading.
It says the Tough Tamales. During the late 1920s, a group of Plano high school students known as the TTTs, short for the 20 Tough Tamales, were known for their mischievous behavior. They climbed on bridges, organized large parties, and pulled pranks on their neighbors. When Mayor J.T. Horn noticed a farm wagon on top of a metal awning above his hardware store on 15th Street, people suspected the boys of placing it there. The TTTs also did charitable deeds for the young and elderly, but kept them secret to maintain their tough reputation.
That's how you paid for the ticket. You paid for the delta between the cities you wanted to get on and get off. Or,
Roll back in time. It's the Texas Electric Railway formed an unexpected merger. See what things looked like a long, long time ago. Look, here's some of the major stops and routes. All the way down to Waco. Someone of note, J.F. Strickland, December 9th, 1860 to May 21st, 1921. He was our leader and friend. There's a little info on the train cars. You can see they've got some really great pictures from when they were in use. The crew, ticket agent, conductor, motorman. Here's a picture of some of those gentlemen. Hardworking people. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today at the, the Plano Interurban Railway Museum in Plano, Texas. We had a great time in there. The volunteers know a lot. They're extremely knowledgeable, very helpful. That was really a great tour, and it's free. It doesn't cost anything to do. They do have a donation box. We did leave a donation. If you decide to go, I highly recommend you leave a donation. It's well worth it. We got all kinds of information on other fun things to do this summer and things we're going to make other videos out of. And check this out. I got a sweet, sweet, sweet Interurban coffee mug. Look at that.
When he should have gone 3.
Over here?
So.
Nope, I'm the one that drinks coffee.
Nope.
How cool is that? So, yeah, I gotta tell you, it was outstanding. Real quick, you know the deal. Like, subscribe, notification bell. All that stuff lets me know that people are actually watching these videos, and it helps grow the channel. So, help us out. Anyway, thanks again. You guys have anything?
No, but hello.
Yep, okay, but hello. Anyway, we're going to have some more videos here in the near future, and thanks. Have a good day. All right, bye.